Look up at the night sky, and you will witness a reminder of how vast, mysterious, and beautiful the universe truly is. August 2026 is set to become a remarkable month for skywatchers around the world, bringing together a series of breathtaking celestial events that will capture the imagination of millions. From a rare planetary gathering to the dramatic beauty of a solar eclipse and the magical appearance of shooting stars, the heavens will tell a story written across the darkness. For thousands of years, humans have looked toward the stars searching for meaning, guidance, and connection. The sky has always been a mirror reflecting the wonders of existence. Every planet, every star, and every cosmic event carries a message of patience, balance, and harmony. The universe moves with perfect timing, reminding us that everything has its own season and purpose. In August 2026, 6 planets will appear aligned across the sky, creating a spectacular display of cosmic order. Although these planets are separated by unimaginable distances, from Earth they will seem to form a beautiful arrangement. This rare sight will allow observers to witness the incredible precision of our solar system. It is a moment that encourages us to slow down, step outside, and appreciate the rhythm of the cosmos. The alignment of planets is more than just a visual wonder. It represents the delicate balance that exists in space. Each planet follows its own journey, yet together they create a magnificent dance around the sun. This reminds us that differences do not prevent harmony. Every individual path can still contribute to a greater universal pattern. But the planetary alignment is only one part of August's celestial story. A solar eclipse will also bring a dramatic transformation to the daytime sky. As the moon passes between Earth and the sun, sunlight will temporarily change, creating a powerful moment where darkness meets light. An eclipse has always inspired curiosity because it reveals the rare 6-planet alignment. Discover how 6 planets will appear together in the August 2026 sky, why this alignment is rare, and what makes it a spectacular event for skywatchers around the world. The 6-planet alignment of August 2026 is one of the most anticipated celestial events of the year, offering skywatchers a rare opportunity to see multiple planets appearing together across the night sky. While the planets remain separated by millions or even billions of kilometers in space, their positions along their individual orbits create the illusion that they are lined up from Earth's perspective. This visual arrangement is known as a planetary alignment, and although it is not uncommon for 2 or 3 planets to appear together, seeing 6 at nearly the same time is far less frequent and much more impressive. Each planet follows its own orbital path around the Sun at a different speed. Mercury races around the Sun in just 88 days, while Saturn takes nearly 30 years to complete a single orbit. Despite these differences, there are moments when their positions create a beautiful pattern that can be enjoyed by observers on Earth. This remarkable display highlights the incredible precision and harmony of our solar system, where every world moves according to the laws of gravity without ever colliding. For those willing to wake before sunrise or stay attentive during twilight, this alignment becomes more than an astronomical event. It becomes a reminder of the immense scale of the universe and our small but meaningful place within it. Watching these distant worlds share the same sky inspires curiosity and wonder, encouraging us to learn more about the planets that accompany Earth on its journey around the Sun. The August 2026 alignment is not just a rare visual spectacle. It is an invitation to pause, look upward, and appreciate the extraordinary order and beauty that surrounds our planet every single day. The meaning behind the solar eclipse. Explore how the August 2026 solar eclipse occurs, the science behind this breathtaking phenomenon, and the symbolic lesson of light returning after darkness. That a solar eclipse is one of the most breathtaking events that nature can offer, and August 2026 will provide many people with the opportunity to witness this extraordinary celestial phenomenon. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon moves directly between the Earth and the Sun, casting its shadow onto parts of our planet. For a brief period, the moon blocks some or all of the sun's light, transforming the daytime sky into an unforgettable scene. Depending on where you are located, you may experience a partial or total eclipse, each offering its own unique beauty. This remarkable alignment of the sun, moon, and Earth demonstrates the incredible precision with which celestial bodies move through space. From a scientific perspective, a solar eclipse is a predictable event that astronomers can calculate many years in advance. The Moon is about 400 times smaller than the Sun, yet it also happens to be about 400 times closer to Earth. This extraordinary coincidence allows the Moon to appear almost the same size as the Sun in our sky, making total solar eclipses possible. During a total eclipse, the Sun's brilliant surface is hidden, revealing its faint outer atmosphere, known as the corona. This glowing halo is normally invisible because the Sun's intense brightness overwhelms it. For scientists, observing the corona provides valuable information about solar activity, magnetic fields, and the powerful streams of charged particles that influence space weather throughout the solar system. Beyond its scientific importance, a solar eclipse has always inspired awe and reflection. Ancient civilizations often viewed eclipses with wonder, creating stories and legends to explain the sudden disappearance of the sun. Today, we understand the science behind the event, yet its emotional impact remains just as powerful. Watching daylight gradually fade, feeling the temperature drop, and seeing the sky change in an unusual way creates an experience unlike any other. It reminds us that even the most familiar parts of nature can still surprise us. There is also a symbolic lesson hidden within this celestial event. During the eclipse, darkness briefly covers the light, but only for a short time. The sun never disappears forever. It simply waits for the moon to continue its journey. Within minutes, sunlight returns, filling the landscape with warmth and brightness once again. This natural cycle reminds us that periods of uncertainty, difficulty, or change are often temporary. Just as the shadow passes and the light returns, challenges in life eventually give way to new opportunities and fresh beginnings. For anyone planning to observe the August 2026 solar eclipse, safety is essential. Looking directly at the sun without proper eye protection can cause serious and permanent eye damage. Certified eclipse glasses that meet international safety standards should always be used when viewing the partial phases of the eclipse. Only during the brief period of totality, and only if you are located within the path of totality, is it safe to look at the eclipsed sun without protection. Following these precautions ensures that the experience remains both memorable and safe. The August 2026 solar eclipse is more than an astronomical event. It is a reminder of the elegance and precision of the universe. It combines science, beauty, and inspiration into a single moment that connects people across the world. Whether viewed through a telescope, a camera, or simply with safe eclipse glasses, this rare event encourages us to pause, look upward, and appreciate the remarkable cosmic dance taking place above our heads. The magic of the August shooting stars. Learn why shooting stars appear during August, how meteor showers are created, and why these brief flashes of light have fascinated humanity for centuries. Every August, the night sky becomes even more enchanting as Earth passes through streams of tiny particles left behind by ancient comets. These particles, often no larger than grains of sand, travel at incredible speeds and burn up when they enter Earth's atmosphere. The result is the dazzling streaks of light we call shooting stars or meteors. August 2026 promises another wonderful opportunity to witness this natural spectacle, with some meteor showers producing dozens of bright meteors each hour under ideal viewing conditions. Their sudden appearance across the darkness creates moments of excitement that captivate both experienced astronomers and first-time observers. Although people often make wishes upon shooting stars, the science behind them is equally fascinating. Most meteors never reach the ground because the intense friction with Earth's atmosphere causes them to heat up and vaporize high above the surface. Occasionally, larger fragments survive the journey and land as meteorites, offering scientists valuable clues about the early history of our solar system. These space rocks are like ancient time capsules, preserving materials that formed billions of years ago before the planets were fully developed. Watching a meteor shower also teaches an important lesson about appreciating fleeting moments. A brilliant streak of light may last only a second, yet it can leave a lasting impression on everyone who sees it. Nature often reminds us that beauty does not need to last forever to have meaning. The brief flash of a meteor encourages us to remain present, observant, and grateful for the wonders unfolding around us. On a clear August night, far from bright city lights, the sky becomes a magnificent stage where countless stars shine overhead and meteors race across the lessons the universe teaches through the night sky. Understand how the movements of planets, eclipses, and meteors inspire patience, balance, resilience, and appreciation for the natural rhythm of the universe. The night sky is far more than a collection of distant stars and planets. It is a living reminder that the universe operates through order, balance, and constant motion. Every celestial event, from the graceful movement of planets to the brief brilliance of a meteor, reflects natural laws that have guided the cosmos for billions of years. Observing these events encourages us to think beyond our daily routines and recognize that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. The universe does not hurry, yet everything unfolds with remarkable precision. The six-planet alignment of August 2026 demonstrates how different worlds, each traveling at its own speed and along its own path, can appear together in perfect harmony. This serves as a reminder that every journey is unique. Just as the planets do not compete with one another, we too can move forward at our own pace, without comparing our progress to others. Growth is not a race, but a continuous process shaped by patience and persistence. The solar eclipse offers another meaningful lesson. For a short time, darkness covers the sun, changing the appearance of the sky and creating a moment of uncertainty. Yet the shadow always passes and sunlight returns. This natural cycle reminds us that difficult periods in life are often temporary. Moments of challenge can feel overwhelming, but they are rarely permanent. Just as the eclipse ends, brighter days eventually follow. Shooting stars complete this message by showing how even the briefest moments can leave lasting memories. A meteor flashes across the sky for only a second, yet it can inspire wonder that lasts a lifetime. This teaches us to value the present instead of constantly waiting for a perfect future. The greatest experiences often arrive unexpected,